Hello everyone, welcome back to another Dollar Tree organization episode. I hope you had the most amazing weekend and I hope you are doing well. In today's video, we are going to be tackling some new items at the Dollar Tree to see how can we organize them, and I found some great products that to me are new. You let me know if they are new to you. But starting off, we found these jars with the bamboo lids. These are super nice, really cute, and I love the size. It's not too big, not too small, and I just think they are super pretty. You can see how nice they are here, and they do have a flat side so you can kind of sit them on their side for a different look. The lids do have a little rubber band ring around the inside of the lid so they do not fall off, which is awesome. So I'm gonna use these two for my coffee and sugar, because I do like, some things to look, super clean and have them in nice jars and stuff like that. And these are a little bit smaller than the jar that the coffee already came in, so it will save space inside of my cabinet. So you can use them for this, for your coffee and sugar, so you can quickly grab them every morning when you make your coffee, and you can even lay them on the side. Also, feel free to use them for your favorite spices. If you want to organize your pantry and put your spices in some nice jars, you can do so using these jars as well. I'm putting some cinnamon in here because we do use a lot of cinnamon. As you can see, we have the big jar and it looks really beautiful in here, so you can use these jars for that as well. Dollar Tree has these mesh laundry bags that come 3 in a pack, and I thought these were the perfect little bags to store your shoes. I really love this idea, my friend, because it's not only good for when you are traveling, you can place them in your luggage nicely and your shoes will be together, but you can also put them in here when you are on a road trip, or even to sit them in your closet to help, the dust from getting in them too much. And I just love the idea of these little bags for your shoes. So they do come 3 in a pack, which is really great. So you can pack up 3 pairs of shoes. If you get 2 packs, you can pack up 6 pairs of shoes, which is not bad. And once again, I love this idea. You would have to let me know if you would give this a try and if you've seen these mesh laundry bags before. And of course, you can definitely use them for packing your luggage and, organizing, separating your clothes that you are taking on your trip as well. But I absolutely love this and I think you should give it a try. Dollar Tree also has out right now this new set of rose gold and gold trimmed items. You can see here they have this little stand. It has 3 compartments so you can organize some stuff in there. They also have these little baskets or trays, and they also have these longer trays at the top, and they also have these that I have here that it's 3 compartment as well, but the front compartment is a bit longer and this one is wider than the other one. So I really love this to make your own little coffee bar or tea bar, or both. As you can see here, I'm placing some coffee packets, sugar, and my tea bags. This is really nice, my friend, if you have a small space. Maybe you're living in an apartment and you don't have much space to, have a full setup coffee bar or tea bar. You can have this little organizer and set up your own little space, and I just love it. I think it looks super cute as well. Really nice, goes with any decor, and I just love it. You can place it wherever you want in your home, and It really doesn't really need to be in the kitchen or anything like that. You can place it literally anywhere that you would like to make your coffee or your tea, and I love it. Another way you can use this little organizer is on your sink. Again, if you have a smaller space, this is perfect as well, but that little compartment in the front is perfect for a sponge. So you can place your sponge down in there if you don't like, the look of having the sponge just sitting in your sink, or you don't have any place to put it. You can place it inside, and then you have two other compartments for whatever else you use in your sink when washing your dishes. Maybe you have a scrubber, maybe a bottle brush cleaner, or whatever it is that you might have that can fit in those compartments. I did put a little Brillo in there because it fit perfectly, and I love this for on top of your sink. It just makes it look so much more cleaner and nicer and well organized. Here is something a little different, a little bonus for you to use something a little out of the ordinary for organization DIY. I have this little decor piece that I want to place on the dash of my car because I absolutely love sunflowers, and I think this is just super cute. By the way, I did get this off of Temu in case you were wondering, but I just want this little flower on my side of the car for when I am the passenger princess. So these are little Velcro dots that are sticky on the backs of them, and I found these at Dollar Tree. I thought they were a super cool find, and I was thinking of different things that I can do with these little fastener dots, and I think this is just super cute and a nice way to use them. If you are someone who likes, like tiny decor pieces in your car, this is perfect just to hold them down so they won't, go sliding everywhere when you are driving. I'll be honest, I don't like a lot of decoration and stuff inside of the car, but this one is super clean and simple, and I just want it right here on the side of the screen, and I think it looks super cute and nice. It's such a nice way to use those little Velcro dots that would just simply do the job of holding it down so it doesn't fall or tip over. So I love it. Another great way you can use these Velcro dots is if you have some, frames or decor for your home, but ones that are super light, my friends, ones that are light. This one is super light and it will, withstand the weight. You don't want anything too heavy for these little strips, but I placed one on each corner, simply pressing it to the wall. And it is holding it up really nicely. I think this is super great for if you don't want to nail anything to your wall. This is really nice if you are renting as well, and I think it's a really super great idea. So you would have to see if you can find these Velcro dots. They are really nice and handy for a lot of different things, and I love the idea that you can use it for light frames, even posters, signs, anything like that. You can use it, and I love it. So my friend, thank you so much for tuning into today's video. I truly appreciate your support. If you've made it this far into my video, comment down below sunflower, and I will know that you made it this far, which is truly appreciated. I really do love it when you stick around to the very end of my videos. It just shows me that you are enjoying the content, which is my goal. So smash that thumbs up button if you've enjoyed, and do consider hitting that subscribe button so you can be a part of my YouTube family, because we would love to have you. And I will see you all on the next video, my friend. Take care and God bless.